We're passing it around.
No, she can definitely tell my handwriting. You can't read mine.
Alright, 84 says 2x plus 4y over 2x squared plus 5xy plus 2y squared something multiplied by
4x
4x squared minus y squared over
8x squared minus 8 divided by.
what are we divided by?
I remember that.
X squared plus 4xy plus 4y squared over x squared minus 6xy plus 9y squared.
Okay. Insanely large problem, but really what it is two problems hooked together. So to tackle this problem, actually we don't even have to think of it as two problems hooked together. How are we going to cope with that divide?
Have to flip it upside down.
Flip it
and make
upside down.
multiply.
And then multiply. The other two problems, like 81 and 82, that have the divide first, only flip the one with the divide in front of it. So if this had said divide and this had said multiply, only flip this middle fraction. So we're going to flip that third fraction. So what's going to be on top? We're going to have, actually let's do it this way, see if you can follow what I'm doing. We're going to have 2x plus 4y on the top. When we multiply it to this fraction, we're going to have 4x squared minus y squared on top. And when we flip and multiply, what else is going to be on top?
X squared minus 6y plus 9y squared.
Alright, so that's everything that's on the top.
Right.
On the bottom, this stuff. This stuff. And the stuff that used to be on the top.
Right.
Okay. And I put it all into one fraction because that's what happens when you multiply, right? It just multiplies all straight across. So now we've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces to see if anything factors. So let's look at this first chunk. Anything factor out of there? 2. So we're going to have 2. Leaves us with
X plus 2y.
anything factor out of there?
Yeah.
Well, nothing factors out, but what is it?
Differences.
So this is like 2x squared minus y squared. So what are the two pieces going to be?
2x minus y and 2x plus y.
And that's that favorite problem that the book was.
Ah, yeah, the book loves the 6 and the 9. This follows the roadmap. The square root of this stuff is 9y. Square root of this is x. Times together is...
That's
That's
3y.
3y.
This was a 3?
Yeah.
9.
This is a 3. There we
Yeah.
go. Times together is 3xy. I'm like, that's not going to work. There we go. Now it works. Fits the roadmap, right?
Yeah.
Which means that it turns
Minus
into
3y.
x minus 3y squared.
X minus 3y.
So let's just write two of them in case they're canceled. Alright, next. One fraction. Is this gonna do anything?
Stuff will happen.
Stuff will happen? Does anything factor out of it?
No.
No.
Does it fit the roadmap?
No.
Are there any factors of 2 that add up to 5?
4 and 1.
2 and 4, or 2 and 2.
Oh, but
though.
it's 2 times 4. Okay, so we are going to have to factor this one. So I'm going to write it over here, and I like to ignore the y's.
Yeah.
So
4
2
and
times
1.
2 is 4. 4 and 1. So 2x squared plus 4x plus 1x plus 2.
You can take a 2 out.
2x.
2x
Yeah.
leaves us with
X plus
1.
2y.
x plus 2.
Yeah.
So what technically comes out of there?
1.
Y.
Which is
Over with x.
So we got x plus 2 and 2x plus 1. But I ignored the y's. Where do they go?
at the on the rows. So
Right there? Okay, so back over here in this problem, this big parenthesis turned into x plus 2y
X.
and 2x plus y. Alright? How about this one?
You got an 8.
Alright, and 8 comes out, what does it leave us with?
X squared minus 1, which is the difference of cubes, or squares. I mean.
Difference of squares.
And then that becomes x
So we're gonna have an 8 out, and it turns into x
minus 1.
plus 1 and x minus 1. This one. Does that fit the roadmap?
Yes.
Square root of that's x, square root of that's 2y, times together is 2xy, times 2 is 4xy.
Yep.
So it turns into
X.
x plus 2y squared. Let's write both of them in case only one cancels. Alright, we're ready to see what cancels. 2 and 8, what does that reduce to?
1/4.
So on the bottom of our fraction answer, we're going to have a 4. So 2 and x plus 2y,
No.
x plus 2y,
2x and y.
Two
That
X
right
plus
below
Y.
it?
Yeah, right there.
this one,
Yep.
And then, yeah, right.
that one,
Yep.
right? No, no. So everything left on the top is
Still in?
2x minus y.
2x minus y and x minus
3y
3y. And now since we know
Or
nothing is
squared.
going to cancel, just write it squared. On the bottom, we got our 4 already.
Yep. X plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2y.
And we can write x
Squared.
plus 2y squared.
I need a big whiteboard at home.
Yeah.
There's a few of them in the library too, if you were
Yeah,
interested.
but I'm not gonna do that. People will be like, you're stuck on this?
Questions? Follow that one, alright?
It's like real problems.
Alright, guys, this is like 15 chapter 5 problems all rolled into one chapter 6 problem. So, but it's like not, don't let it get overwhelming. It's not anything you haven't seen before.
You know why I think I was overwhelmed? Because there was too many leftover pieces. It's like, what?
There were a lot of leftovers in this, and I thought
Compared
we
to
were
81, there weren't that many left over, so I thought I did it
know.
wrong. And I did it twice, and it came out